And it's crafting time again, folks. How are you today? And this is week 4 for our summer reading program. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to have a sponge party. Now, it's not like, oh, we're going to take a bath. No, we're going to paint. And we're going to provide you 3 colors of paint. Right now we have red. We have blue. I think he's blue anyway. And then we have gray. We're going to provide a little cup of each color, and I would highly recommend putting them on the paper plate instead of trying to use it from the cup, which we will also provide you. We'll also provide you a poster board to paint on, and we're going to provide you sponges. And right now I'm going to cut them real quick. Now the reason why, there's 2 different sponges. All right. Now this side right here is all the same, but you look on the other side, there's 2 different patterns, and we're going to see if it will actually apply onto the poster board. These are a lot harder to cut, folks, I tell you. Now, make sure you have an apron or an old shirt that you don't mind getting paint on, because this is going to get messy, but you know mess is fun. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, let's try this side. I'm going to try the decorated side, and we can pick from any of the 3 colors and splotch it. Splotch, splotch. And if you want to flip it over and use the other side, this side, let's do that in red. Splotch, splotch, splotch. No real texture difference, but it's interesting to look. Let's try this guy. Let's do him in gray. There might be a little difference there. This is what I've got so far. Now, we can even use, let's use gray. We're going to maybe add him to the blue. Don't be afraid to mix your colors. Let's mix a little red in there. And that is what that looks like. Does it have to be perfect? By all means, no. Let's try with the other side. Mix it with that color on the plate and go down. Maybe mix with the red and the blue and go down. And it's all about experimenting with what turns out, what it looks like. It's all yours. And that's the beautiful thing. Let's go across. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Look at that. You might have ribbons on ribbons. It's all yours. So there's no right and no wrong way of doing it. Definitely wash your hands after this. I have gray and blue and red all over my hands. So that is this week's project. If you haven't signed up, it is still not too late. Come in and we'll sign you up for the summer reading program. And until then, I will see you next week. Have a nice day until then.